They're retards. We need people to lose money.
Yeah, Jay, I think so. I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna try my best. I just don't know where I'll be, depending on when I get off, and then we have a 3-hour drive north.
What time are you expected to leave?
Well, I'm gonna jump off as soon as I jump off, then we'll head up.
How come you didn't go yesterday?
We stopped by Mariah's parents.
You slept there?
Yeah. No, it's fine. Yeah, thank you. Unless if I'm bothering you. Okay. All right. No, it's okay.
Such a nice guy.
Yeah. Drive safe. Don't forget to drink a Buzz Ball with a Monster. Ooh, Jay, you just reminded me of something, buddy. 1 second. Oh yeah, the morning Zoloft going.
Oh, buddy, you need to take a double dosage. I saw the live yesterday. You were on fucking crack. I think
I
you
know.
took like 5,000 pills yesterday.
Um, you want to know what? I got really pissed off that I got trapped at the gap close.
Buddy, all I heard on the YouTube is bling, 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 bling. What the fuck are you doing?
I
Buddy,
ended up,
you were
I
making
ended up,
fun of Carter. You were a Carter yesterday.
I did hit 1,000. Yeah,
You were sick yesterday, buddy. Why the fuck did you trade so much yesterday?
just because I had such a heavy drawdown, I was trying to get that drawdown back. I don't like drawing down that much and not at least making that back. Today's going to be disgusting, guys. Until 2 o'clock, it's going to be gross. So there's probably going to be one or two good setups in the morning, and then it's just going to be a disgusting chop until 2 o'clock. Historically, I've seen them do that. I've also seen them take one direction north or south, and then when FOMC comes, they completely reverse the move. So no, Shannon, Shannon, I don't want to do that. I want to call out like the best setups for you guys to make money. It's just yesterday was such a tight range. We were in a 30 cent range after we dumped, and there wasn't really much there. Did you swing anything? Anybody?
No, no, I just have my short shares.
Wait for MBZ to come on so we can talk to him because I have a feeling if he's sitting in those put swings, it's today's the day you got to get rid of him if you don't want to hold before 2 o'clock. They're gonna crush. So, did you guys read my post that I posted under moderators? For any of you guys that are new here that haven't traded FOMC or know what they like to do to contracts, we're gonna open up and our premiums are gonna be double, triple the price. And then leading up to 2 o'clock, they're gonna slowly burn those contracts. And then after the funds statement, when we start ripping around, that's when they IV crush. So just keep that in the back of your head. Contracts aren't going to be moving fast. Dimitri, do you want to live stream at 2 o'clock today or no?
If you're gonna join me, I will. If not, probably I don't want to.
Okay.
You know, another thing I noticed is that I saw yesterday's live, and Albert had so many opportunities to actually be green. I don't know why the hell he's red yesterday.
Yeah. I think the
Pissed me
the
off. Yet.
The worst trade was the buying the puts at low a day and getting trapped and then just holding on to them. That's what wiped them, in my opinion. Yeah, there's a ton of news today. Stats. It's going to be 2 o'clock though. Is going to be the heavy news. 2:30. So
All
if you
right.
can get a couple good setups in the morning session and just get away from your computer, that's the best way to survive today. And if you're going to trade after the funds rate after 2:30, just treat it like you're going to the casino.
All right. I'm all set up. Good morning, everyone. Adam, Akimoto, Choi Choi, Lewis, MJ, Patel, number two, ready. Sharon, Shannon, Cherie, Stats, Trade Place. Morning, everyone. Yeah, there's a guy on YouTube that keeps asking me about the time frames for the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes levels, or why I show it. I only chart above 1 hour, guys. It doesn't matter what time frame I show on the YouTube video. I just wanted to let whoever that is, I don't know.
When was
I
that?
have a
Was it like a
I have a
comment?
feeling I have a feeling it's Trade Place, a silent assassin here.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it's him.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, Den. How you doing,
Enjoy
buddy?
your vacation.
Yeah, yeah. It's nice. It's cold. Going to Vermont today. It's going to be freezing up there.
Stop. No, it's not.
Oh yeah, dude. It's going to be in the 40s. Vermont?
Hey Siri, what's the weather in Vermont?
It's currently cloudy and 60 degrees in Montpelier, Vermont.
Buddy, it's
Temperatures are heading down from 6.
buddy, you're a bitch.
No, I'll tell you exactly where we're going.
60 degrees.
No, it's not 60. It's impossible. It's
It's like
50.
summer in Russia.
It's 59 here.
Buddy, it's like summer in Russia, buddy.
Look up.
40 degrees. It's fucking September, buddy.
No. How's it 60? How's it warmer in Vermont?
All
Ludlow.
right, guys. This
Ludlow.
is a this
Today's low is
is a
48.
really
Yeah, Ludlow. Good morning. What's up, Joey? Good morning.
morning, Joey. Good
I'm
morning, Matt.
I'm
Good
up in
morning,
Heartland right
everyone.
now, Joey.
Joey, good morning, brother.
Yeah, I'm in the
Morning,
woods.
Dan.
I'm in the woods.
Good morning, Demistic.
What's going on, Dan? How are you?
I think good, brother.
Matt,
Thank
are
God.
you going to be planning on hanging on to your swings today? No, I'm in Heartland, Connecticut. I'm going up to Ludlow, Shannon. Mount Holly area.
Yo, did you go to those best pizzas in Connecticut?
Oh, I've been having pizza since I got here.
Nice.
It's
Which
great.
one is the best in your opinion?
In my opinion, I like Colony Grill. I like Colony Grill. They do like a real thin bar style pizza with hot oil on it. Oh,
Oh, nice.
yeah. I think Dave Barstool guy gave them like an 8.87 or 8.8, something high.
Oh yeah. I've never been to Connecticut. Actually, no, I'm lying. I've been to Connecticut for Mohegan Sun, but other than
Yeah,
that, I never chilled in.
it's not much. It's not much here. Good morning, guys. Matt, something to keep in mind today. I know if you're still in those swings, we might have a pop on IV, and if we shoot out after 2 o'clock today, it's gonna be disgusting. They're gonna crush. So just keep that in your back pocket today. If you get an opportunity to get out of them, if they do head north real fast. I think you said your expiration's what, next week?
All right then.
Yeah, I'm torn on what to do with them, to be honest with you. I really think we get a pullback. I don't think yesterday was the pullback, so I'm worried that pullback might be next week. And if it only gets to the price I bought them or a dollar or two less, I might not even make money, even if it goes down a couple bucks. So I'm a little bit torn, to be honest with
You
you.
might be able to
If we
jump
have
out of
like
them. You might be able to jump out of them if we get a pretty big pop in IV though, because all
yeah, I mean,
contracts are going
here's
to be
my
like
thinking.
double, triple today.
I can't predict this shit any better than anybody else, but my thinking is if they don't get a pullback this week, it would be because of FOMC and OPEX Friday. But if it goes bullish or hits another all-time high, I don't think it's by much. And I think we get a pretty massive pullback next week. But that's why I'm kind of torn. I don't know. I'm only
It's
down. I'm down like 25%, so it's not a big position. It's like $2,500. I think I'm down 500. It's not the end of the world either way. But
Where did you buy? 657 area?
yeah, 657.50 all time. Basically, all time high is Thursdays where I buy.
Yeah.
And then it went up a little bit Friday and a little bit Monday, and then went down yesterday, but it wasn't really a big pullback.
Well, if we pull back today and reject yesterday's and Monday's lows, we're heading back to that 658, 650, high 658 area. So that's the next demand zone.
I'm also torn on if I think I think there's a good chance we get a quarter point cut, and so we might get a big green candle end of day, and then it might fucking start pulling back tomorrow. I don't know.
I think it's
I
pretty,
want
I'm pretty sure that their forecast is 4.25. So we're at 4.5 right now.
right.
I'm pretty sure
Now if
they're,
they get a half point, that could be bullish unless they say it's because the economy sucks. I don't know. A little torn on it, to be honest with you.
I don't know,
Oh,
man.
Matt, look at my section. Look at my section, the moderator section, the Dimitri section. I posted a screenshot of the different possibilities of what can happen.
I have a
Just get
strong feeling that everybody in retail is just looking at the tippity top here and thinking it's going to pull back and they're
See,
going to,
I might be in a different bubble, but I feel like retail's saying it's gonna pull back, not go up. Like I don't know.
yeah,
But this is interesting.
retail is saying that it's going to pull back. All the news that I've been seeing is bearish, which makes me extremely bullish.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah. That's my concern. When all the signs are pointing south, and you got big hitters like JP Morgan's coming out saying that this could start a market crash and this and that. I mean,
I
they
like
could.
all of these sections that says SPY goes down 1% to be cheap. That's all I need. That's a 1% pullback. And I'm
as
gone.
per the VIX, we're supposed to get exactly 1%. We're supposed to get exactly 1% as per the VIX.
Albert, you here?
Hell yeah, I'm here, bro. Fuck else I'm
Patience,
gonna be.
patience today, Albert. Patience.
Guys, we
I
broke
wanted to
structure.
give I
Bullish.
wanted to give a quick shout out to Joey. Thank you so much for spending 2 hours with me yesterday on the phone, going over charting and going over so basically like a study session. So thank you so much, Joey. Appreciate you, bro.
Matt,
Thank you, sir.
did your contracts pop? Because I'm looking at the next couple days here, and they did exactly what I said. Contracts are double, triple the price right now. IV's almost 30%. Same days are absolutely
Try-
disgusting. I would stay away from same days today, guys. Same days are gross right now, and they're gonna crush this, slowly crush this. So you need big, big moves. Even if the chart's going in your direction, you're not gonna be making a lot today.
a lot of people say they sit out on these days.
Yeah, today's not really the day to be scalping and trading technicals because there's going to be a ton of fake outs and market's probably most likely just gonna whatever market does right now before 2 o'clock is pretty much invalid. We'll get the real direction after 2 o'clock today.
Just poke through overnight highs. Makes me think they're gonna fucking bring it back down. Yeah, I'm just kind of interested to see. I don't really care if I trade today. And if it does shoot up to new highs after FOMC, I'm probably just going to double down on this swing. The only thing that stops me is I might pick a later expiration date. So at least it's not really doubling down.
Premiums are
I mean,
gross.
history doesn't have to repeat itself, but every time we've hit an all-time high, 2 weeks was extremely safe. I usually do further out expirations because I'm a wuss, and this is like the first time I did one so soon.
Yeah. Well, today's a little bit different because of the catalyst that we have. So the news catalyst is going to play a big, big role in market today.
Chris, the best expiration to trade today is September 22nd. Chris, did you watch the options class? You must watch the options class, buddy. You must understand why I said September 22nd.
The IV is disgusting, Chris, on same days, next days.
If you want to trade good IV, guys, September 22nd. Please understand why,
QQQ
guys.
is breaking demand right now. Q's just sliced demand, pulling back. This is bounce zone now, QQQ. Let's see. It's going to be a lot of fake outs, guys. So I wouldn't
Yeah, I got it.
necessarily try to trade my style that I trade where I wait for them to break and then chase because today is the type of day where they'll break a level and they'll throw a wick in and then hit the reverse gear because they have to do damage to both sides and beat up the contracts.
I would go calls here, but I don't want to trade right now. QQQ is right at sloping support. QQQ is also right at VWAP. But if QQQ
They're
breaks this, it's
slicing.
gonna fucking
They're s-
it's gonna die right now if QQQ breaks this.
they're slicing.
Oh, QQQ is breaking.
Should we try it? I'm gonna try put 660 puts. See if I get
I'm
faked
not
out.
trading. I don't want anything.
This is bounce zone on the
Yesterday's
Qs.
lows
Same day?
590.46.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a whack at same days here. $2.07 is my average. QQQ is just bleeding out. PCP is gonna be my first target. My contracts aren't even moving, man.
Guys, I don't recommend you trade same days today. That you need a bigger expected move if you
Yep.
want to make money.
This is a perfect example. I caught pretty much the top of this wick almost, and well, never mind. Now I'm fucking red. I only got 2 cents
You
on that
cannot.
pullback. That's it.
You
Two
should not
cents.
trade today same days.
If Q's bounces off this demand here, they're gonna make a new high. I'm gonna get slaughtered.
Today's a great day, guys. You're gonna lose money and realize why without education. It's a great, great day. Whoever didn't watch options class deserves to lose money today.
I'm about to go watch that show. Then I think I watched it.
They're gonna make a fresh high.
Ryan G, you here? Ryan G here? No.
I don't know. I have a 201 average now. I just doubled at top here. QQQ still wants to go lower.
Right here. This is Ryan G's baby.
QQQ still wants to go lower.
I like seeing the VIX get below 16.
I'm in 200 contracts and I'm only up $150. Just keep that in mind. Unless we break through VWAP.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, with the contracts being $2 and $3, 10% is a big difference. When we're used
It's
to them being
30,
$1.
Here we go. QQQ's
32.88
leaking,
IV.
leaking. PCP I want right now. PCP I sell. Look at the Qs, man. Qs is dumping. I got 10 cents now. Now we're picking up.
IBM's going up.
There we go. Look at the Qs, guys. SPY does not want to, they don't want to give it up. I'm going to take another 50 contracts off just in case they bounce this thing like crazy. One more push. There we go. All right, I'm going to start trimming out of this now.
Let's trade.
Dude, this is crazy though.
Wait, what?
It's only 13 cents is all I captured off of this. And I just got slipped. I just got slipped back to $600. I had 13 cents. It just gave me $600. Gave me 6 cents. It's ridiculous.
You're playing 32.28 at implied volatility contract.
I know, slips. But if it starts compounding in my direction, it's gonna explode. There we go. Look at the Qs, man. Look at the Qs.
Hughes was to touch pre-market low.
We got room to 599, 659.70s, but I don't like the wicks that are coming in below. I can't even squeeze $1,000 out of this.
Those Qs are going down and IWM's going up.
I can't. I'm all out. Couldn't even squeeze $1,000 out of that with 200 contracts. It's ridiculous.
Do not trade, guys. If you have a small account right now, you will get buried.
Yeah, that was 200 contracts. 200 contracts basically from the top, and $800.
That's insane.
Yeah, what's even more insane, dude, is it cost me $40,000.
To make, yeah, that's insane.
Yeah.
Well, this is a good learning day for me to learn what kind of days there are.
Dude, the best thing to do today, Albert, is wait until after the direction comes in after 2:30 because they're gonna just crush these premiums down until 2:30. And these wicks,
Look at the right side, Albert. When you go on your options chart on the right side of today, September 17th, you see that percentage?
But where are you looking? I'm looking on TOS. You're talking about?
Correct.
I'm an
when you're
active trader. Yeah, it
yeah, when
doesn't
you're
tell me
when you're
none
choosing
of
an
that.
option,
On
when
the
you're
right side, it says September 7th. On the right side, all the way on the right side, what does it say in the percentage?
It says 32.5, 32.50%.
that's the IV.
Correct. And what does it say? What does it say below that?
Below that,
Well, those are all the options are there.
nothing.
The
Those are the
18th.
options now.
What does it say on the 18th? I'm sorry.
On the 18th of the month? Oh, I know what you're talking about. Okay, I get it. Okay, so on the 18th, it says it's 22.51.
There we go. And what does it say on the 22nd of September?
22nd of September, it says 16.
QQQs
See?
and
Now do you understand what they're doing? Do you
Q-
understand what dirty games they're doing today?
I'm watching QQQ
Mm.
guys 589.90s. If QQQ starts bouncing off of 589.90s with power, and we're above previous close, I might try along, but we'll see. I want to see like
Options class applies today.
I want to see a powerful bounce come in on the Qs off of this right here, 589.90s. If they crack this, then pre-market lows at 589.60. Damn, I should have held my
Okay.
contracts. My contracts are only up 15 cents. That's hilarious.
Sheesh. Q's have only had one green candle the first minute.
Yeah, something's cooking on the Qs, but if they bounce off of here, Matt, I'm thinking it's going to be a fresh high.
Well, I saw where last year when they did the rate cut in September, the Q's did like the best other than crypto. So maybe it's like everyone thinks that, so they're fucking with them. WM's up, just now starting to pull back, but
This
up
is
to where it opened.
extremely bearish looking, though. We got wicks on both sides. QQQ is a bloodbath. If I see power come in on the Qs, I'm going to hit a 660 long. Got to get filled on a
So
red candle, though. 589.60s is going to be like make or break for the Qs.
I'm
I'm going
just
to
sitting
try.
on my hands.
after that, I don't have anything till
I'm going
587,
to try.
86.
I'm in 660 calls. Tight, tight, tight stop. We got room to the 200. I'll probably double at 659.77. As long as QQQ bounces off a pre-market low.
Avoid calls, guys. I want calls at 6:59:20.
I'm playing it off the 200 on the 1 minute, and Q's is touching demand right now. So we haven't had one bullish candle on QQQ yet. If one of them comes in, they're gonna launch this thing right back up.
They're gonna dump right now.
Yeah, but Brian, I'm confused. Why did you get into this trade? I mean,
I
all
just
this.
explained. I just explained where because of where QQQ is. I'm expecting a powerful bounce on QQQ. We're sitting right at the 200 on SPY in the 1 minute. QQQ should do a bounce and drag us back through previous close.
Uh-huh.
If they lose pre-market low QQQ, then it's bad. So many wicks on both sides today. Market's ripping around. It's very, very, very hard to get filled. As soon as you see profit, you have to take it. That's what I'm noticing. Premiums are not moving. But if I do catch a directional move, like a bear trap, if they do a bear trap right now,
Be very
they'll
careful.
explode.
QQQ made a daily lower low.
No, they didn't take out pre-market.
I said it made a daily lower low.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at pre-market. 589.60s gets taken out on the Qs, then I'm out.
It's bearish, guys. Bearish, bearish, bearish. 592, 659.20s is my desired price target.
I have a 207 average. I just need them to clean out previous close, and I'll be pretty
I love
green.
your little price bubbles, Dimitri.
Wicks on both sides.
I highly recommend just sit on your hands, guys. Today's not the day to fuck around. I'm telling you guys. Unless you're in puts right now. You're chilling. I got nothing. I'm just chilling. Discipline, discipline, discipline.
589.60s is my stop. If QQQ takes out 589.60s, then I'll dump these. I'm getting treatment.
That's crazy. You're not even losing all that much though.
No, they're the contract, but dude, that also means that they're not going to be moving if it goes in my direction too. So you need a bigger move to make money, you know?
This is why I told you, Albert, to sit on your hands because the IV
I
is
am.
so jacked up that you need, instead of 1 to 2 candles to make money, you need now 3 to 4 candles to make money because the percentages of the implied volatility, it's already in the contract. You get it? It's already in
Mhm.
it. Where the contract are already boosted. So you need a bigger move to make money.
Right,
That's
right.
why I'm just chilling. I'm sitting on my hands. You're not gonna make money in these conditions unless you make a fucking unless you started from the top and then now you just sold.
Well,
You get it?
look at the puts that
You
I
need a
got in at
whole
the
cycle.
top. The puts that I got in at the top at 20, what did I get in at 205 today? They're only up 15 cents all the way from the top.
Correct. You get it? That's ridiculous. So you need a instead of 1 to 2 candles, you need a whole cycle to make money. That's why it's ridiculous to make money right now. That's why whoever loses the money today is they deserve it. Zero education.
They're gonna trap
Not
through.
not talking about not
They're gonna
talking about Ryan though.
they're gonna trap through previous close. I'll get paid. I'm break even here almost.
Be very
It's pretty,
careful today, guys.
it's pretty close, but calls are a little higher than puts right now. To US.
There we go. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna start trimming. That's previous close. I just sold 150. I'm holding 100. See if we can continue. QQQ bounced directly off a pre-market low. I want them to push through VWAP now.
We have news. 9:45 news.
I don't know, but my contracts are steamrolling north now. Oh yeah, baby. I'm gonna take another 50 off.
Oh, Canadian news.
The fraud news. I'm down to 50 runners, guys.
Canadian
I'm
news.
down to 50 runners. QQQ did the bounce that I expected. QQQ is about to retest their floor, and that's where I'm gonna go all out on SPY. Oh yeah, Joyce. Oh yeah, there's the trap. Trap, trap, trap. All right, I'm gonna go all out. 224. I'm out. Albert, I caught that from the absolute bottom almost. From 207 was my average, and I only got to
Yeah, yeah.
224.
Yeah. That's crazy. That would have been a fire move on a regular
That would
day.
have been a 50, 60 cent move any other day. Almost a dollar on the chart. You see where QQQ bounced from, though? Do you see why I tried to go long and why I kept saying if 580, 589.60s gets taken out on the Qs? You see, we bounced
Bounced
off
on
of,
overnight lows.
yeah,
Okay,
we,
I'll be completely honest with you. Okay, so here's my thinking, right? Here's my thinking why you did that. Was it because there was demand at around again, I'm looking at the chart, right? And if you look at this time that there was demand in that zone around I don't know, 451, middle of the night, is it like if you look at the if you look back at the chart, do you understand what I mean?
we had a strong bounce at 443. Pre-market low, 589.59. I saw them leaking the Qs out this morning and SPY was not participating, meaning that buyers were still putting up a fight because they didn't just completely break and start vomiting with QQQ. As soon as QQQ found demand and started bouncing, it dragged SPY back up. That's why I
Oh,
took that trade.
gotcha.
If
I'm
QQQ
just
retraces,
trying
SPY
to
is going to
follow
make a.
along as you're talking, looking at all these price points.
If
That's why.
QQQ retraces, SPY is going to punch the highs out. I mean, Cooper, unless you want to wait until after 2 o'clock, it's just you're gonna have to look at what the price of SPX is at that time because they could just completely just crush both sides and you can lose on both sides. You know, you don't want to get torn up. Like right now, I wouldn't even touch SPX right now. You want to know what SPX is right now? Let's look. It's going to be comical. Same day contract SPX in the money. One tick in the money is $25 for one contract. So $2,500 for one contract is outrageous. And those contracts are probably going to be $8-9 after 2:30 today in the money still. So they expect them to be split in half. I'm not going to short this. I don't trust this. I think everybody's looking at a short here, although QQQ is
This is bull-
rejecting.
this is bullish. Just wait until volume comes in. This is very bullish.
Yep. Nice job, Shannon. Can't even get a tub of protein. Dude, I'm telling you, I think 250 contracts, but risk to reward. I mean, when you're using 40, $50,000 of capital and you're only making $800, it's not really, it's just, that just tells you just today is not the day to be fucking around. Expect to make less. That's all.
Or just wait till 2 o'clock. Honestly, two
I
o'clock will be
two
better.
That's insane. Look at this move from the very bottom of where you got in, Ryan. That was like at 659, let's say 72.
Yeah, what are the
And
contracts?
this is almost $1 up, and it's only up like 40 cents, I think, on that
Less than, yeah, 40
on the
cents.
contract.
I had 207.
Oh, okay, even less then. It would
Yeah.
have been up less. Crazy, bro. This is usually a great trade if you held from the bottom all the way up, and you could be done for the day pretty much. Just that one trade.
And then they're going to hit the reverse gear, take it back down to previous close, and then all those people that caught the bottom are going to be red. Watch what happens if they pull it back. So remember that 207 price. Because
Yes, Cooper.
when they burn, they burn.
2 o'clock he drops the news. 2:30 he talks, and I think like 2:45 is question time. 3 o'clock, 2:45, like that. Press questions. This is very bullish, guys. I'm waiting for 661, my yellow line. Puts. I'm playing major channels today only, if anything. I'm just sitting on my hands. There we go.
Wow, look at that shit.
Yep.
Volume's coming in, fellas. My meaning
Goldman
of
Sachs just
volatility
saw
is when these candles start going rampant. Honestly, that's my meaning of volatility.
Look at the premiums though. Just
They're
watch
just gonna do
watch
whatever
the
it takes,
premiums.
just slaughter everything. They're gonna
Yeah.
slaughter both sides.
When you have the knowledge to know to just sit and wait and just sit on your hands and not touch this crap, you already have a leg up because you got to think there's so many people battling this right now, thinking that they're going to make a crap ton of money, and it's not the correct conditions. Not every day, not every hour is a good time to trade. You have to pick and choose when to trade, like what Norville posted. Did you read that, Albert?
Yeah. Oh, in the morning, earlier today, what he wrote, that was beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah. They're gonna go bust right back through previous close, in my opinion.
Super sideways, man. There's nothing here. Say it's gonna be boring until 2:30.
Albert, watch those premiums, the 600 calls. And remember I had 207 from the bottom.
Yeah.
Look
And
at
now this is,
they're almost break even here.
look at that. That's insane.
Look at now they're gonna be red. Watch. 213 here. So if you hit calls off the dead bottom and they pull back, you're break even here. And now they're gonna probably put in a fresh low and trap everybody. Dirty, dirty games, man. They need to get the VIX up higher. Ugh.
WM's very bullish.
We have a higher high, higher low, lower high. Potential wedge forming on QQQ. Could be going into a wedge if they hold above the low.
Spy, we give you permission to dump all the way to 640. We're okay with that. It's just pretty
Oh, dude,
different.
if they completely bloodbath this before 2 o'clock, I'll probably go long in an SPXL position. I need to see like a,
Yeah.
a really deep bloodbath though, like oversold conditions.
Yesterday looked like a fake bloodbath.
I think they need to bring the IV up though more, or the VIX up more.
That was hilarious, man.
Did your contracts increase today because of the IV? Or are you too far out on expiration?
I really don't know because I really just look at P&L open, but it seems like for 660, I'm not down as far as I was when it was 660 yesterday. I'm down 444, 436 total. And I thought I was down like 530. I thought I was down about $100 more when I was up 660 yesterday. I could be wrong because I'm really just looking at P&L. I haven't even looked at the contracts that much.
I wouldn't attempt a double bottom here. Too dangerous.
I want 659.20s, guys, and I'll get calls.
659.20s. Pre-market low, the double bottom on pre-market.
Yesterday's lows. I showed it
Mm,
went a little bit lower before that double bottom in pre-market. And
yeah, in the morning time.
yeah,
658.57.
659.20s is break of structure 30 minutes, guys. So it's very, very strong level. That's why it's gonna dictate where the 30 minutes and the 1 hour is gonna go. That's why we're gonna have a major bounce. I think 659.20s.
I could shut my broker off right now and be happy because I just feel like I'm going to give money back if I continue to trade.
Oh, buddy, you were on one yesterday.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to. I'm not trying to do that today. I know better on a day like today. I know better.
Teacher, I was seeing where a lot of people say like your mega moves down or when like several time frames align on like a breaking structure. Do you watch like all the big time frames?
I watch everything, buddy. I watch.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's three of them. There's micro, which I watch on the 5 minutes, and then there's mid macro, which is the 1 hour and the 30 minutes, and then there's macro, which is the 2 hour and the 4 hour, and then there's also daily break of structure, and then there's also weekly break of structure.
Gotcha.
Yeah. This is sloping support from pre-market, guys. I want to see if they break this. I do believe they're gonna break it because volume is coming in.
You just poke through their pre-market low.
Yeah.
When they
Yep.
took that bounce earlier though.
Volume is super strong, guys, to the bearish side.
Let's see, put a call. It's put heavy now. Not much though.
Here we
288 to
go.
365.
You
QQQ's
have puts,
leaking.
guys. 659.20s is price target, guys. 659.20s. I'm gonna get calls.
This is bounce zone here, though. Potential.
A little bit lower, guys, to my green dotted lines.
Yeah, Norville, I think that's a pretty smart decision, buddy. Unless you want to just try to do a YOLO later on today. But as of right now, dude, same days are disgusting. I caught a pretty big move almost half of the day this morning, and I barely got paid on it, and I had to hit it with size. So this is part of trading, knowing when not to take a setup, being patient. It's a big part of it.
It's just today, man. Today's just a fucked up day. That's why I just want to wait.
Oh, dude, I mean, think about it like as a whole, like where we are. It's not like we're having an FOMC day at 550. We're having an FOMC day at the all-time highs, a long-awaited expected rate cut. Not sure if they're going to cut higher than a quarter point. All of the retail news is saying that the top is in. It's a perfect
That's true,
storm
man.
to just
They've been talking about this. They've been talking about this rate cut for all fucking year.
it's a perfect storm to just freaking clobber people and take another blast off north, and then they pull it back.
Here we go. We're still bearish, guys. My desired price target, if you have puts, 659.20s. Yesterday's lows.
And
I wish I had put on.
for you guys that are trading futures, I would say freaking leave it alone for right now. There's going to be a lot more traps as we get closer to 2 o'clock. Futures is going to be dangerous today, and they're going to just blame it. If you get slipped or if you get a crappy fill on futures, they're going to just say it's a volatile day and play their little card that they play when markets are rational. Sheree, I'm usually only on the 1 minute when I'm trading intraday. I'll chart on higher time frames. I'll look at higher time frames for charting, but mostly just 1 minute, 5 minute, sometimes the 30 minute. But trading, I'm only on the 1 minute. Your entries have to be more specific on the 1 minute if you're only looking for a candle or two. The higher the time frame goes, you also have to trade, think about trading higher expirations further out contracts. They go hand in hand. I wouldn't trade a 0 day contract off a 30-minute time frame. Because
I could send you my layout, Cherie. This is my layout right over here. I'm giving you a whole screenshot of what I watch. I have many tabs open, Cherie.
I just watch SPY and QQQ. That's all.
Here. This is what I look at, Cherie. See, my main thing is SPY 1 minute, and then on the right side, I have the ticks, then I have the VIX, then I have the S&P 500 5 minute, QQQ 5 minute, and then on top, I have tabs. Those tabs are 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour.
You should consider switching to QQQ to the 1 minute, Dimitri. Keeping them side by side, SPY and QQQ 1 minute. It helps me a lot. But I'm a
I
creature of
have
habit.
calls.
I would never change the way I chart.
It all depends on what's happier for you, Cherie. There's people that trade just on Robinhood, no charts, and it works for them.
Oh, stop.
I'm in calls, guys, same days, 6:58. This was my desired price target, guys. That's why.
And calls on top step. Shut down Thinkorswim.
Your level didn't hit.
Uh, it didn't hit, but yesterday we made a higher low from the daily time frame, so I feel like we're gonna make a higher low today also. Eventually, just like Q's, they made a daily lower low, but I feel like they're gonna fuck around right now and make a higher low.
I would say that 589.90 area on QQQ remains resistance. I probably wouldn't go until they push through this right here. I don't know if you guys have that line, but 589.90s on QQQ is previous demand. Now that they're trying to make it a little bit of supply.
Patience, patience, patience. Let's see. VWAP was never back tested. The 200 or 200 was back tested. So VWAP needs to back test, guys. Damn, Patel, you just love Apple. What is Apple doing? Oh, okay. Apple went up from yesterday. Actually, no, it's the same place.
I got nothing here. QQQ's rejecting supply. It looks like they're going to try to head one more leg down. I'd say Hail Mary play 659.10 would be the best area to try calls.
They better give it to me, honestly. I never get into calls. These fuckers better give it to me.
I was to say, bro, when Dimitri says calls, you just blindly go in them. Like if you're saying
I
it's got to
never
be
get into
awful.
calls.
589.90s has the flip on the Qs.
Let's go, baby. This is sloping resistance. This is the channel. If this channel breaks, guys, it's boom, 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 boom.
We got a ratio. What's our ratio looking like? Put side. I'd wait for a fresh low. 659.10 if they hold. That's the best area to try it. They lose 659.10, then no calls.
Ryan, isn't it 6059 659.17? I'm sorry, I was just charting yesterday. That's why on the 15
650.
minute.
I'm looking on the 1 minute, this little double bottom bounce here at 7 o'clock and
Uh,
7:40. And also supply on QQQ. 589.90s need to be above 589.90s. QQQ's looking bearish still.
oh, we're around the same. I guess this is just a couple of pennies up and down.
Chris, do you understand why 659.10?
659.10 is break of structure. You're correct. This is major though. If we break this zone right here, deep south, baby.
Oh, Q's is sitting on their overnight low.
Albert, you see my screen or my picture I posted?
Yes. Yes.
And also on the Qs, do you see this 589.90 area on Qs where they rejected? They broke through and now they're rejecting. So if I see QQQ above, if I see QQQ above that 589.90 area with power, and then we're bouncing off that 659.10 level, that's bullish. That's bullish for me enough. That's enough bullish for me to take a smack at calls. And then if they lose that area, then you just get rid of them because there's nothing below.
Mhm.
We have that little bounce at pre-market at 658.50s, and then there's nothing. It's a waterfall down,
So,
which
based on the SPY chart, would you be in calls at, just to reiterate, right? So you'd be in calls if it goes with power through 659.77?
nope. So 659.10. If we come down to 659.10 and hang around 659.10, and I see QQQ above 589.90s, I
Mm-hmm.
would take a whack at calls. I don't want to hit
Got
it
it.
here because
Okay.
this is like that small bear flag looking setup here where we can punch a fresh low. And QQQ keeps rejecting 589.90s.
Thank you, sir.
Yo, the premiums, they don't go up very fast, they go down very fast.
Premiums are gross.
Yeah.
Those are two
This is my
strong.
level though.
Those are two strong touch points, Chris. If we, the way I look at supply and demand on the 1 minute, if we have multiple touch points and we hang out in an area, it's weak. If we have one big candle down and a nice big candle bouncing off of it, it's a stronger supply or demand.
Yeah, Q's is wedged perfectly between POC and overnight lows. It's just rattling between those two lines.
589.90s right here on Qs. Let's see if they try to push through. If they push through, you could catch a little momentum trade off of this, but I would wait for pre-market lows. QQQ's pushing through.
I don't think I'm gonna take a trade right now. I think I'm gonna take your advice and wait till 2 p.m. Are
I
we gonna be
just
on a live call at 2 p.m., guys?
I don't know where I'll
Why?
be. I'm gonna be driving most likely. I'll try to stay on as long as I can now, but if I don't see a setup, dude, I'm not gonna force a trade. There's no reason for it. QQQ above 589.90s. I like this. Let's see if SPY could start stepping on the gas. I want to see them close above this. We got 10 seconds left. I'm looking at 660 calls. QQQ closed above. SPY gonna go with it. Doesn't look like they want to go.
Wow, if they
Bear,
break this
little
point, this
bearish
is
stop loss
major.
candle.
This is major, guys. If they break this, holy shit, they want to go south, baby. This is this is very major.
This is where I want to try it. I'm in calls. $1.88. If this level breaks, I'm immediately stopping out.
Yeah, this is the best. This was my desired level, guys. Oh my god, if they break this, Matt, you're gonna get paid if they break this. This is a weekly level. This is a break of structure 30 level. This is a break of structure micro level. Guys, this is a huge levels here. This is the
They
zone.
might shoot past it and put a big wick in below, so I want to see how much power they have if they do slice through, because QQQ is pretty much sitting at low a day right now too. I got a $1.88 average. I'm freaking red on it. I don't know how. I hit it at the low a day.
We did
Yeah.
make a daily lower low for the second day in a row, guys. 2 days in a row, daily lower low.
QQQ wants to go south, it's looking like. I'm in this with size too.
Swing trades. I got 657.41 as a gap. Yeah, 657.40s. There's a gap.
I'm stopping out.
Oh, oh, buddy.
I'm not gonna even
You
trade
got
this.
spooked out that quick?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, there's nothing below us if they go.
It's a dollar empty pocket if they go right now. This is
I'll I'll wait for QQQ to punch through 589.90s like my original plan, Albert. And if I start
Uh-huh.
seeing them pump up, then I'll jump back in for one or two candles north. But I don't
I
like
just
how
added, guys. This is the best level.
this is
Just
dangerous,
added.
though. It's very dangerous. I want to
We
wait
know
for
you
them to.
did, Dimitri. We know.
I want
We
to wait
hear
for them
your
to
ads. I
actually
don't know
go.
why.
I could see them, Albert, putting in a fresh low and then a nice wick below the body where all the bulls get spooked out and then they try to bounce it back up fast. That's another scenario that I'm looking for.
It's gonna hit a lot of people's stops, I'm sure, too, right?
Yeah, I'm back in 660
This is
calls.
my levels, guys. This is my levels, guys. My price target is VWAP.
VWAP, I doubt it. 659.70s is probably where I would sell. 659.65.
Volume, power, QQQ, overall direction of the wind. That's momentum trading, right, Brian?
Yeah, but today it doesn't really count on a day like today with news catalysts
Yeah.
because
Thank you for being honest.
they have fake outs though. You know, that's today's
Yeah,
game
yeah.
until 2 o'clock is to just take money from both sides. I got 2 cents here. I got $1.85 average. We're at $1.86. I don't really I don't really like this position that I'm in because QQQ is not really bouncing. There's no strength on the Qs. So as soon as this candle continues a little bit, I'm just going to take my profits off. Makes sense for them to put in a fresh low first. There goes the Qs. One more little push, and I'll start taking it off. These contracts are brutal today, man.
Which ones are you in?
I'm in 250, 660 calls at $1.85. I can barely get like 3-4 cents, and I pretty much hit them at the bottom. I entered right at the bottom, and I'm break even here. All right, now we're getting paid. Trying to get
Patience, patience, patience,
no,
patience.
there's no patience. I'm not fucking holding anything today for long. I'm gonna take 150 off. I got $1,300.
You got slipped.
Yep, $600.
Yeah, because I'm watching your contract moving. It's fucking disgusting, bro. It doesn't move, honestly. It's like
Yeah,
stuck.
I'm down to 100. I want to see QQQ. If QQQ breaks through 589.90s, I'll hold on to this a little bit longer. If Q's rejects 589.90s, we're gonna put in a fresh low on SPY.
This is a bullish divergence, guys. Let's see if she has legs.
I'm all the time, damn. Let's
I'm
do
out.
it.
I'm not staying in this. They're gonna do a fresh low.
1 minute, Chris. 1 minute.
I'll reposition myself after fresh low.
She has no legs for a bullish divergence. Wow. As soon as you saw MACD crossover, Chris, on that 1 minute time frame, that was that divergence because price made a lower low, MACD made a higher, but the conditions didn't
QQQ is
allow it.
gonna go lower. Watch out, Dimitri.
Dimitri, I'm so surprised you're not fucking bearish today. It's like, what the fuck? It's so weird.
I'm playing the tops and the bottoms of my channel. This is the bottom, and the top was 661. That's all I was interested in. The bottom is right here, and the top is 661. That's it. I did not want to fuck
Yeah,
around
but I'm
because I know
surprised
we're
you
gonna.
didn't take the top of 660. I'm surprised you didn't take it going down.
I didn't trust it. There was a lot of volume coming
There
in
was a
from
level, right?
661.
Also, because I made a level on the 15 minute for 660.65. No?
I just wanted to
By the
trade the
way,
craziest, the biggest levels.
Ryan, I had to get off your view mode only and actually use my trading view account.
Yeah,
Joey told me I have to start using it in charting, so I'm actually on my own chart and charting it,
yeah,
even though
because
it
that
has all of your stuff on here.
yeah, but that view only mode
All your
doesn't update my lines that I put on my levels.
right, exactly. Yep. It doesn't. It just shows your indicators and stuff like that, and that's it. Because you have this Lux algo,
Hmm.
smart money, whatever.
We're sitting right
This
on
is
it
a
right
weekly
now.
level. This is a weekly level also. Last week's highs.
I'm gonna wait for them to take the floor out and then potentially do a nice wick below the body and bounce. That's what I'm looking for.
Hey Ryan, do you also focus and Dimitri, that goes for you too. Do you guys focus on like do you guys understand each body and how it looks and what it represents? Do you guys
Yes.
Yeah,
because I
of course.
remember yeah?
Of course.
Over time, Albert, you're gonna just be able to identify these things. Just it's chart time.
Uh-huh.
It's
Got it.
chart time. QQQ is heading for a fresh low. I want to see a fresh low on SPY. This is sloping resistance, and then I'll try to get back in. Sloping resistance breaks. I'm not going to chase. No chasing today.
Like you gotta be right today when you take a trade. Like you gotta be right. No fucking around, no guessing.
Yeah.
Look at the MACD on SPY and look at the MACD on QQQ. QQQ wants to go lower.
Yeah.
We should get a
The
fresh
opposite.
low. Buyers, there are strong buyers at 589.27 on QQQ.
Albert, are these the candlesticks you're talking about? Look, this is my office.
Oh my god. Yo, where did you get this, bro? Can I get that? Where did you get this?
Amazon, bro. Amazon,
Let me
baby.
get it. Let me fucking Amazon. What is it? This exact one.
Yeah, Amazon. I don't really use it. It's just more for like, aesthetics.
I need it. I need it for both.
You gotta learn everything, my friend. Did you become an optician before education?
Don't ever compete with me in that game, bro.
I know you're the best, right?
I
You feel
will
the best.
annihilate your ass in that. Fuck that. And that's what I want to do. I wanna stick it to you and this fucking thing too, bro. That's how I feel.
Guys, be careful on the long side, QQQ. QQQ is going to go fresh low right now.
Oh yeah, Sherry, I have red light also.
Careful on the long
Yeah, and you
side.
have a red light.
I'm in puts on Top Step, but I got it at the bottom, so I really do hope that it puts in a fresh low.
No, you're pulling an Albert.
I
No
am
puts
pulling
at
it
the
over.
bottom, no calls at the top.
Yeah, no, I'm never doing that shit again. That was the dumbest thing, bro. You know how long I was thinking about that? That like yesterday because I was red, and all that I was keep hearing in my head. Why would you enter puts at the bottom? Why would you hear? Why would
I've
you
done it.
enter puts at the bottom?
I've done it multiple. Like I had to learn from pain because I've done that multiple times. Like you see these giant red candles, and you don't want to miss that fucking 50 cent move when it pokes through the bottom, but then it doesn't do it. You know what I mean? So yeah, I've definitely chased puts at the bottom and calls at the top and got
We should get
fucking
a fresh
burned.
low. QQQ is an absolute bloodbath right now. I'm waiting for a fresh low to come in on SPY, and then I'm going to try to hammer calls one more time.
Huh?
Buyers are about to give up, and there's going to be a nice nasty candle south.
Let's
One,
go, Joey. Fuck yeah.
look at the Qs stepping on the gas now. Be careful if you guys are in calls. I would not be in calls right now. Look at QQQ's chart. If they break this, we're going to 658.60s potential after 658.98. That is our pre-market bounce.
I'm only down 6 cents. But this is bullshit, man. This is my level. These are strong levels.
Look at the Qs
It's
though,
a
man.
pop here, man. Seriously,
QQ.
you're not gonna respect a daily and a weekly level? This is bullshit.
I'm just waiting for them to do a fresh low. Because in my opinion, everybody's loading in calls here. They're going to take a fresh low and then they'll bounce. Once they do the fresh low, that's when I jump in.
The stop loss candle.
I'm just looking at the Qs, Matt. If you're looking at the Qs right now, you would not be bullish.
Oh, I'm not bullish. I'm in puts.
Yeah,
US is in profit right now from the bottom. It's already poked upon them in US.
just if buyers give up here, they're going to step on the gas pretty hard, in my opinion. Have a nice overreaction candle south, and then I'll look for an entry on a wick.
I'm looking for a single candle all the way down to 640. No chance I'm going to get that, but
Guys, this is also the 5-day moving average. Thank you very much, Reese. You just told me 5-day. This
man,
is
I
the
should have
5-day
sold it.
moving average. This is the daily level. This is the weekly level. This is break of structure micro level. There's 4 fucking levels here. We're supposed to bounce. No,
Looks obvious.
this is crazy. No, this is the bee's knees, baby.
It just looks like an obvious bounce zone. I'm waiting for Qs to start pumping.
Oh, this is the bee's knees level.
Wait for the Qs to
Let's
start
see though.
retracing. We just had
Let's see.
freaking nine red candles in a row on QQQ.
I mean, I'm happy we finally retraced to the 5.
Okay, I ordered it, Dimitri.
There's no money
What was
here.
it,
With
like
the
9
5
bucks?
MA on the daily, you said?
Yeah, this I only look at the 5-day moving average on the daily. Yeah, this is it. We're right at it.
There's no money here. I wonder if they're going to try to leak this out slowly all day, kind of creep the VIX up, and then have a reversal at 2 o'clock. QQQ's bouncing now. Let's see.
Oh, I'm loaded.
I'm going to
I'm
try
only
it.
down
I'm in 660
5 cents.
calls. I see QQQ starting to bounce now. Let's see if we can ride this sucker up through sloping resistance here. Same exact average that I had earlier, $1.88.
Ooh, these screens. Oh,
There we go. 659.50s is next. QQQ's coming back up to their floor. If they bump their head on the floor, I'm taking my profit. I got 1,300 bucks here. You know what? I'm gonna take some size off. I just took some size off.
Ah,
Come on, get away from my break even. I want this thing to go up a little bit. 659.50's got to clear.
Dimitri, did you move in all the way?
barely halfway in.
I'm out. $1.91. I know I probably sold too early.
Halfway. We're almost there. We'll be moving in by the end of the week fully.
You need
Well,
any help with
congrats, dude.
anything?
No, I didn't even touch anything myself. We have a moving company.
That's a
Congrats,
true
dude.
friend. If people offer to move, that's a true friend.
Did you
That
hear
does
did
Thank
you
you,
cover.
hear how
Albert.
Albert said it though? You need any help with anything?
What?
hoping that
Like I hope,
hoping that Dimitri would say
like
no.
I hope that's a no. But
I
I'll
was
just
just
say
asking in
like
case you needed
common
glasses to like
courtesy.
find shit.
No. I personally don't like to burden people, honestly.
I'm in puts, 659 puts. QQQ
I hate
rejected the
fucking.
floor.
I'm with you. I always pay those.
659.50 flips, then I'm out.
I'm still in full size, guys. My price target is VWAP. It remains.
I want a fresh low. QQQ just bounced, rejected their previous floor. Fresh lows in play, in my opinion. Oh yeah.
Ryan,
Good morning.
Ryan is hungry to make money, bro. Today,
Buddy, this whole entire candle's 5 cents. It's not it's ridiculous.
I know, but you're trying to scrape up anything you can.
I'm just,
Couple of cents here,
just
couple of cents there.
getting the crumbs. I just want fresh low. It makes sense for them to go to fresh low. Making this floor too obvious.
Do you have a number in mind, like that you want to make every day, bare minimum?
No,
No.
no, I'm out. No, I don't have a number in mind. If you start micromanaging yourself like that, then you're going to make it very difficult. You're going to put too much pressure on yourself. You have to just trade what you see. If you think it's going to work for you, then hammer it.
There's
I'm
either
bar-
money here, there's no money here.
I'm barely making money today. So good job, Joey. 380 is freaking impressive for a day like today.
I think it's his open position.
What'd you hit? This is day's
No,
P&L.
his open stock. This is bullshit, man. Are they gonna slice a weekly level, daily
Oh,
level?
open door. Oh, gotcha. Open door.
You serious?
Yeah,
Oh, the
Albert.
Bulls are done.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's hard to put a lot of pressure on yourself that way. Like you should have targets, but probably over the course of the month, but I wouldn't put yourself on a daily expectation, because you're gonna have red days. It's bound to happen.
100%. Lord knows I did.
Patel, we listen to you, buddy.
I
I'm
always
just
listen to you.
the
Oh,
reason why I got into puts, guys. If anybody was wondering why I got into puts, QQQ had a floor that we were respecting from 10 o'clock to 10:22. We broke the floor and we just bounced and retested the floor perfectly and hit our head on it and rejected it.
how many trades did you take today?
Like 3 or 4.
Yeah, right.
No, you took a little bit more than that, bro.
You took like fucking 15 trades today.
No, not 15.
No.
I'd
I
say
took
like
like three
6
or
or
four.
7.
Buddy, you took 3 trades in the last couple of minutes.
Yeah, because you went in and went out a couple of times, because they were like you weren't sure about the positioning. Just that alone was like 2, 3 times.
Yeah, but you
How
can't
many
count.
fills do you have,
You can't
Ryan?
count I don't know. I shut my broker off. Probably have fucking 40 fills. What the hell are you wearing, Joey? Don't go out in public with that on.
What the helly? Damn,
Don't go out in public with
damn,
that
Joey,
on. You gonna wear that for Halloween?
you look like a Muslim Ku Klux Klan member, bro. He said it's comfortable.
This is ridiculous. We're supposed to have a bounce here, man.
Dude, look at QQQ's chart, please.
I don't care about QQQ. I care about my SPY levels, and my levels hit, buddy.
Mhm. Yeah, nothing's
Yeah.
guaranteed in this market, dude.
Correct, but these are a lot
Dimitri,
of levels.
Give it a couple of hours. You know your trades take a little time.
No.
Be going into freaking 2 o'clock FOMC. I'm adding.
I mean, it's got 4
You
touches
guys,
on the level.
I told you it was gonna hit.
Yeah, I know. At 2:30, I told you.
After 100 fucking average downs.
No, I only added one time. I have 2 fills.
Nice,
Patiently waiting.
nice matrix wear.
I am patiently wait. Right here, Albert. Right here's my price target, Albert, and it's gonna hit.
No
You'll see.
way.
You'll see.
What's your price target here?
Right here. You're looking at my screen. It's gonna hit, buddy.
Yeah.
And the longer it takes,
659.81 is
the
your
longer it
target.
takes, the longer we're gonna go. The longer it takes, the longer we're gonna go. The higher we're gonna
Huh.
go. It's gonna go. You'll see. I'm green. I'm green here. Proper patience. These fuckers, bro, they're gonna take my money? Anybody held through the pain? Nobody
Dude,
held.
I got 228 top step dollars in this range.
Oh, it's gonna
Honestly,
be party time soon.
honestly, I feel as though that if you're not gonna be trading with size on these small ass fucking moves, it's not even like worth it. It's stupid. I mean, what is 10 contracts like let's say gonna get you here? Dick.
I need to see the Qs above 589.55 for me to be bullish.
Were you told that all your life, Joey?
Small.
Hey Ryan,
Yo,
what was that thing you told me your boy used to say?
what?
Might not be able to go. Oh damn, I can't. Never mind. This girl's here.
No,
Sorry.
no, 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 no.
Oh shit! God damn,
I
bro.
know exactly what you're
Cherie
gonna
don't
say.
mind though. She's one of the guys. What do you mean?
No,
She's down.
No, not this one, Albert.
Oh, okay.
Albert, I'll DM it to you.
This is ridiculous. Can I just
Honestly,
take
guys, I think you guys should hand out like disclosure forms when you're joining the group. That anything that is said here cannot be taken seriously. Any slurs of any kind.
QQQ, we're gonna put in a fresh low, guys. Look at QQQ's chart. We're gonna put in a fresh low. You gotta
Yeah,
wait
it
for
looks like
QQQ to
every.
start buzzing, man. They're just gonna trap all these bulls that think they have the bottom.
No, this is the best level for QQQ, guys. This is the best level.
It's not the best level until QQQ takes out their sloping resistance.
This is the best level, guys, for calls. For QQQ.
For
I will explain
QQQ?
why. Here.
No,
This is why, right here, guys. This is QQQ right here. This is the best level.
buddy, I don't care about your freaking low of day from last week that lines up with this line. We're putting in lower
Best-
highs and lower lows.
All right, let's see who's gonna be right or wrong in this case, right, guys? That's
Spy's
it.
gonna
All
put
we
in a
can do is
fresh
wait.
low. Hundred
I just
Macro
have to
percent,
do it
sloping
for an
support.
iPhone.
100% Spy's gonna put in a fresh low.
All right,
It
let's
might,
see.
but QQQ, this is macro sloping support.
No, QQQ's lower highs, lower lows bleeding. POC just popped in here on Spy though. You've been saved.
Not that I've been saved. I've
But you're
charted it.
saying Dimitri was right, Ryan?
No, I don't think that this is the best level for calls because they're making this floor look too obvious on Spy, and QQQ is putting in lower highs and lower lows. It's bearish. Every floor that we made on QQQ, we bounced back and rejected it and continued to a new low.
This is the best level for calls for QQQ, guys.
Personally,
The bottom of the macro.
I personally think that they're trying to get more bulls loaded in. They're going to put a fresh low in.
Don't y'all say every touch on support or resistance makes it weaker?
Yes,
Like the more touches, the weaker it gets.
yes. So they're making the floor look too obvious.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. How is it possible that POC just moved so fast up again? Like it just moved. How did it fucking move again in
So
one candle?
they're buyers and sellers battling.
One thing I gotta understand a little bit better. I understand how quick that does that.
Yo, Patel, your ranges are killing me. 657 to 664. This is bullshit, man.
QQQ's 30 cents below the best level for calls that you said. Still looking weak.
I mean, this is the bottom of the channel. If this channel slices, it's sayonara QQQ. This is the best level for calls.
I would not hit calls here. There's no bullish confirmation. You're basing it off a line on your chart from 2 weeks ago. You need bullish confirmation with it. You can't just go blind. For every 2 green candles, we get 5 red candles.
16 divided by 16. The rule of 16, Patel. And I'm getting slaughtered.
Oh,
Oh.
Ooh.
Dimitri, we're gonna have to take your certifications away, bro. That's it. Ryan, let's see. Well, technically, it hasn't closed yet. It hasn't
Oh,
really.
we're gonna put in a fresh
Did it
low.
close? I mean, it touched. It wicked. It did not close.
Just look at the Q's chart. We're not bullish. How am I the one saying that we're not bullish right now? It's usually you.
I don't know. You're being a fucking bully right now, and I'm not gonna say anything right now.
How am I being a bully?
Wow.
You're trying to tell me that this is the best area for calls on QQQ. We have continuous lower highs and lower lows and rejecting floors since 10:15. For 35
You are
minutes,
right.
for 35 minutes we've been leaking. We have a
You
clear
are
floor
right.
on SPY, which in my opinion is fake.
You are
Until
right, sir.
until I
Let's
until I
buy
s-
calls at high of day and average to 1,000 contracts.
all right, I'm just saying. Until QQQ's above 589.50s, I'm bearish.
You are right, sir.
Jay, we just see different things, that's all. And we both make money. It's fine. If anything, it benefits you guys more.
You are 100% right, sir.
The risk to reward now for me is just dangerous here because they're making this floor look too obvious on SPY. And QQQ is
Buddy,
just continuously leaking.
I have a big bounce coming in. WM just broke out of its range. It's taking off to the upside. If Q will cooperate, I get a little bounce.
I want them to actually leak this thing out all day today, and then they'll hit the freaking gas going north at 2 o'clock. That would make sense. Because then everybody's going to be super bearish because we are leaking.
Are you in Vermont?
No, not yet. As soon as I get off stream, I'm going to leave.
The fuck is taking so long for you to get to Vermont, bro? We could have fucking chilled a couple of times over at this point.
No SPX yet, Patel. The contracts are disgusting. Um, I don't know, Albert. You guys see family and stuff, you know?
Is your girlfriend also from Connecticut?
Yeah. Dimitri, why are you so sensitive?
because you had over 16,000 fills yesterday and over 50,000 fills today, and I only had 2 fills.
God damn it,
And
that's
then,
not
How many fills yesterday?
60,000.
60,000 fills.
buddy, trust me, I saw the live. If anybody watches yesterday's live, it's fucking comical.
What do you mean? I made 30,000 yesterday.
Comical.
Well, I don't care. If anybody watches the live and has something to say, I just ask them to show me their P&L.
I'm
I
joking.
have zero comments, just
I'm
for the
not
record.
sensitive,
Ryan, for
honestly.
the record, I have zero comments.
I'm just
What?
blown away that my levels aren't working right now. It's
It's an
eventually like I don't know what.
FOMC day, buddy. You know this. You've been doing this for 10 years, 11 years. You know that
Well, it
today's the day
becomes
where
a.
they have the most fake outs other than more than any other day. They could stay here all lunchtime and just burn.
I'm down 1 cent. This is ridiculous.
QQQ is
On the whole,
continuously.
on the whole position?
No, now I'm down 5 cents.
I don't know
These
how.
fuckers are
How are
moving
you only down one
weird.
cent? You started buying at 659.70.
My average is 306. It's at $3.
That's disgusting.
What the fuck? That's, I mean,
No, theta decay is not gonna affect you right now, Albert. Theta decay affects you at 230.
IV Crush is going to be supercharged at 230.
is that every day or is it just that for today?
Just today, because the implied volatility is so high, it overtakes data.
Do you still think it's the best area for calls on QQQ? Asking for a friend.
Damn, yo, Ryan, you woke up today and chose violence, huh?
No, dude. I don't know why you would say it's the best area for calls when it's just continuous lower highs and lower lows. That's all.
Because it's a macro sloping support channel. I can't believe they just
They
broke it just like
sliced
that.
it. They didn't even hesitate. They just freaking sliced right through on
Channel was
low
from September 5th.
on low volume too. This floor breaks, they're gonna go fast. I wouldn't be surprised if we go to all-time highs today either. Just an FYI, guys. I know it sounds ridiculous to say, but
Just added.
664 is your level. What's 664? Let's look.
They're fooling guys on SPY. They're gonna go. They're gonna go.
664. Hold on.
I'm getting off my computer, gonna head to work while I'm on the stream with you guys.
But what I'm
660.
not doing is buying 5 contracts on Top Step and going to work out because I've blown up my account 3 times that way.
Yeah,
I just
five
bought shit
con.
at the bottom and walked away from it and said, "Oh, it'll go up," you know?
Are you trading on a 50K account?
Yeah.
I wouldn't trade more than 3.
I know, but fine.
These
So far,
50K account or a 100K account and trade it like it's a 50K.
I know that's my problem. I pretend like it's
Or you know
big
what you
money.
can do, Matt? You could just get a fresh, brand new account. You can get 2 accounts for FOMC and go 5 contracts long at 159 and 5 contracts short at 159, and one of them will blow up and one of them will hit your target.
I
They're
don't think you're allowed
supposedly
to do that
flagging that
anymore.
now. Yeah, Top Step caught on and they're flagging those. If you get caught doing it, they shut your accounts down.
Really?
Supposedly, yeah, they said it on Top Step TV like 3 weeks ago that they're gonna start watching for people that do the straddle or whatever, and they're gonna shut the accounts down if they catch it.
But straddling is a strategy.
Top Step doesn't want you taking one account going long and one going short. Apparently, I haven't tried it, but
Interesting. Well, never mind then.
Just got a little gap
But if
up
you
on the
want,
1 minute.
trade micros. It's slow at first, but if you go 20 micros, it's the same thing as 2 minis, and you lose less if it gives you more time to stay in the trade longer.
You're paying more commissions.
Are you really though? I mean, Top Step, you don't really. It's like 6 cents.
I know, but that bitch slips me a lot. I can say that.
Yeah, watch your balance. They'll play with you a lot. I took a trade this morning and it was like $200 green, and somehow I lost $78. So I messaged them and see what happens. But
Sloping resistance is breaking on QQQ. If they push out of here, that's when you jump into a long.
This is a this is a bullish this is a bullish divergence, guys. Or whatever the fuck Dimitri says.
Do you know what a bullish divergence is?
No, we're gonna become bullish now. It means, is that what that means? Like we're
What
diverting into becoming
what
bullish.
what indicators give you confirmation of a bullish or bearish divergence, Albert? This is a
The
masterclass
MACD.
question. And what else? What do you need to watch?
What else do I need to watch for a divergence? What about the cloud?
No.
Um,
This is your pop quiz.
this is good, actually, bro. We should do this shit all the time for everybody. It's very good.
Look at this. They're breaking.
Um,
Breaking. Dimitri, are you still
Dimitri, we're gonna
long?
give you your class on this one.
Are you still long?
Yeah.
Wow,
Frenchie.
why are you not even excited? Are they
He's
moving?
printing money on them. Oh, it puts, buddy. That was the best level for puts.
Are they printing?
Yeah.
See, man, I just got fucking slipped again.
I'm still in full size. My price target is above VWAP now.
Oh yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna give you some pop quiz questions.
So wait, bullish divergence was MACD, and then the divergence what? The MACD. What about the Bollinger Bands? If they
No,
cross over or some shit.
no.
Nope. Okay, I tried. Okay, I give
Absolutely
up.
no financials.
You want to see, in my opinion, and how I go is like you look at a momentum indicator like RSI or the MACD. If you see higher highs and lower lows, or higher highs, higher lows on the chart, but you're seeing lower highs and lower lows on your RSI or MACD, that's where you start confirming your divergences based off of when the candle closes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let me see if I can find one in the chart here. Well, we didn't make one, but here's an example, Albert, if you're looking at the chart.
Hmm.
Hold on.
Which chart? Because I'm on my phone.
I'm gonna just post a picture.
Oh, okay.
So for example, okay, if
Mm-hmm.
price, so you see how we made a higher high today,
Right.
this morning? We made our first
Mm-hmm.
opening print and then we made a higher high. And price on the RSI and MACD also made a higher high. If we made a lower high on the MACD, but we made a higher high on the chart, that would be confirming a bearish divergence.
Mm-hmm.
Vice
Oh,
versa
or
for
Copy
bullish.
that. Copy. Okay. Very good.
You ready for your pop quiz?
Next pop quiz. What else? Let's see.
Let's see. What can I ask you?
All right, guys. Literally grabbing my lunch for work.
Let's see. Okay, here's a good one. If the IV crushes after FOMC today, what options Greek hurts the most for buying calls? Like what options Greek will get crushed?
Oh shit! No, I don't know this one. I would have to review the options class again. Then, does anybody have an answer?
I'll
I
give
think
you
you're going for theta, but I mean,
Delta,
Vega.
Vega, or Theta. Those are
Vega.
That's correct, Dimitri, but this pop quiz isn't for you.
What the fuck, Dimitri? Are you fucking serious, bro?
Vega measures IV sensitivity.
Buddy, I taught this in the options class. IV is Vega.
I know we're doing a little pop quiz here. We're trying to learn here, bro. You're trying to stop us from learning now.
I'm trying to stop you guys from learning. Yep. There's a person here in this Discord that messages me every single day, all day, every day. Only one person. And you know who you are. And that person is going to succeed.
sorry, bro, I just get lonely.
Everybody else Everybody else, I'm pretty much sure they didn't watch any master classes.
I
watched a
watched.
bunch of
I
master
don't care
classes.
what you tell me. I watched like three of your master classes, and I watched Ryan's momentum class.
You gotta really want this thing, bro. You gotta feel it in your balls, bro.
Well, you know what they say, bro. 50% of success is showing up. I'm here. So 50% there.
I'm showing up. Uh,
You gotta feel it in the plums, just like MBZ just wrote. This is ridiculous, Ryan.
are your contracts even moving?
I'm up 4 cents here. I don't want to sell.
The fuck is going on with my car? It's so stupid.
It's not like I'm advertising them. This is not even my content, guys. I paid like $30,000 for this content. I'm just reiterating it.
Regurgitating would be a better
Yeah, that's a
word,
great
being
pop
that I
quiz
know you.
because I feel like I understand theta and gamma and delta good, and then the rest of the Greeks are kind of, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But I always
Except the
hear
broker.
like high beta stocks being high IV. What's that? Is that just a saying? Because that's not it. Like I don't think that's in the broker. Like a
Oh,
What was the question?
high, high beta stocks is like Nvidia and Tesla. So if like whatever the beta is, they usually move like 2 times, 3 times, 4 times more. That's why UNH is not a good stock to trade. A good stock to invest. But the higher the beta, the higher the premiums are. Yeah,
Yeah, they're just more volatile.
correct. This is
so Vega
ridiculous.
impacts beta.
No, 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 no. IV, yeah,
Vega
IV.
is off of the implied volatility for the day. So if you're looking at your Vega on your contract, it's measuring how sensitive it is to the volatility based off the day.
Got you.
But
So higher Vega means the contract's going to move quicker, or is
it's
it moving slower?
it's more about the crush.
For every 1%, the IV goes down, MBZ. That whatever Vega number is, just take that number and subtract it off the premium. It's all about the percentages. So right now for same days, whatever you see for same days, that percentage, every
Here,
time it goes down 1% or up 1%, increase that for your Vega, for your contract premium.
yeah. So I guess it would be like if Vega's 10 cents, right? If you see Vega at 10 cents and IV drops 5%. So say what's IV right now on a same day contract? Anybody? 30%? Are they still 30%?
40.95.
They're going up.
Yeah.
All right. So say it goes from 40% to 35% and your Vega is 10 cents, IV drops 5%. Your option's going to lose 50 cents in value. You times it by 5.
Gotcha. So is that so? That's what's happening. Is the Vegas decreasing? Like on is that just for the day, or is that over a time frame? Like, because when I buy an option, I'll look at like, all right, even this option seems to be going down 30 cents a day on a 2 week out. But
There's
is the
more
Vega just for the day?
There's more variables to it though because of where the IV is at today. So because since today is an FOMC day, IV is increased to almost triple than what it normally is.
That's why we had $2 and $3 contracts instead of $1 contracts. About the
Correct.
same.
Correct.
Yep. Yep.
So throughout the day, as they slowly crush the IV on these contracts at 2:30, they're gonna super speed crush the IV down. And when the IV gets crushed, everybody that's in these contracts, it doesn't matter if they're in calls or puts and the market's going north or south, the IV crush is going to drag the Vega is going to drag your options premiums down. And they're basically it's like the ice cube analogy that Dimitri likes to say, but now you're just putting it into a hotter frying pan where your ice cube is going to be melting a lot faster.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
It's like earnings, you know? It's the same thing as earnings. It's like just imagine like SPY has earnings after 2:30 today. 2 o'clock.
And you're buying a ticket to go to the freaking Super Bowl, and then the Super Bowl is over at 2 o'clock, and you can't get rid of your ticket anymore.
Right.
Adobe? AGBE? Oh wow.
We've
It
been
had
s-
earnings, right?
we've been sitting at this range since freaking 10 o'clock, and QQQ is complete bloodbath still. If they break this floor, it's going to be disgusting. It's going to
Um,
be a disgusting move
um,
south.
um,
I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Adobe. Adobe is a good Iron Condor candidate, Patel. It's not going anywhere because people loaded up probably. Loaded up on calls, on puts. I would be bullish above 364. I would be bearish below 335. Why don't you do a Iron Condor, buddy? This is such a good Iron Condor candidate. Oh, common shares? Let me see. Let me see. Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Oh wow, it did not make a lower low on the macro perspective. I like shares. This is great. You can buy shares, stop loss 330. Yeah. Yeah, you can buy shares, stop loss 330. I actually like MSTR the same way like this. Swing trade, look at MSTR, buddy. MSTR has the same setup. I'm loving MSTR also like this. MSTR is the best one for shares also, just like Adobe. Yeah, for comments, it's good. You must have a shit ton of buying power that you buy so much comments. He says yes. I love it.
Didn't even hesitate.
Yes.
That is correct, sir.
I I have a lot of buying power also. I just don't believe in this shit, honestly. I don't like the stock market. It's too much to fucking look at, man. I can't do that shit. I would be looking at my phone all day then or charts all day. Like how's my stock doing? How's this doing? How's that doing? I just sit in cash all day. Zero liabilities. That's crazy. Wow. I mean, guys, did you see Lucid? Lucid also. If you got in when I told you guys to get in, you'd be up 35%. Lucid. Lucid is sexy. If Lucid breaks this, ooh, baby. I don't believe in Rivian though, Patel. Rivian don't make any money. Their balance sheet is the worst. They lose money for every car they deliver. You sure? You sure about Rivian? What do you see in Rivian unless they're gonna get major investments? But even so, they lose money like crazy. Hood, yeah, absolutely. I feel like Robinhood is gonna be $1 trillion company in the future. Hood for the future is the best. Yeah, but Joey, every single car they deliver, they lose tons of money. I think they lose like $10,000, $20,000 car delivery. Believe it or not. Hey Ryan, you still here or no?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm just looking through some things. I gotta get going soon.
What time are you leaving? You're definitely not gonna make it
Yeah,
by 2 o'clock. I mean,
I wanna get going pretty much now. It's gonna take like 3 hours to get up there.
we're gonna do it now.
I don't know. A QQQ is just until they can poke through their sloping resistance, they've been in the same cycle tunnel since 10 o'clock on QQQ, and SPY doesn't want to break this floor. 659.10 floor.
Oh yeah, let's go. Come on.
As soon as they try to push, it's like wick above.
Oh, they're gonna go. I'm holding full size. No, no.
Thanks, Jay. I'll send you guys some pictures. I think it's going to be nice up there. It's going to be all the leaves are changing up there.
We're in the
I've never been
Rockies.
to Vermont.
What'd you say? What'd you say,
I said
Dimitri?
I've never been to
Oh,
Vermont.
oh yeah.
Never
No,
mind.
you haven't. It's cool. There's just it's like the woods, man. There ain't much up there.
I wanted to go skiing in Vermont. Just didn't happen yet.
We got some property up there, so that's kind of the point of the trip.
Gotcha.
Go check out the property.
No doubt, no doubt, no doubt.
Yeah, the leaves. I like the leaves though when they start to change. It looks awesome. QQQ broke their sloping resistance, Dimitri, finally.
They're gonna go.
Money.
They're gonna go, bro.
They're gonna go. It just takes time. You know, your edge is to get in and out of trades like 500 times. My edge is just patience.
Yeah, patience doesn't work on a day like today though.
It always works. Charts are charts.
No, you can't sit and hold on a day like today. You probably break
I
even
don't like.
here.
No, I'm up 3,000 here.
Yeah, how many times did you add?
Twice.
Yeah,
But my biggest drawdown was 11 cents. The only reason I kept adding is because I was confident it was gonna go up, it was gonna go up, it was gonna go up.
I don't know, man.
I was The most I was down was like 1,100 in this position.
Every time we come up to this 659.55 area, they get smacked back down.
This is ridiculous.
I think they're gonna just burn it sideways here until 2 o'clock.
They should.
EMAs look like they flipped bullish though after these
I
last
know
two.
it is exactly. It's a bullish alignment of the EMAs. Volume is coming in. MACD is finally in bull territory. Cloud conditions are changing. They're gonna go. They're gonna test VWAP. I'm gonna
Dude,
sell
look at.
everything at VWAP.
Do you see the squeeze since 10:15?
Yeah.
But look
Oh,
at the
they're gonna go,
volume.
buddy.
There's no volume. We have
Oh,
continuous
volume is
squeeze.
coming in.
Continuous squeeze and no volume. I don't know. QQQ above 589.50s, then I would say momentum's gonna push and bulls will step in.
If you're in calls, guys, get ready to sell. My price target is VWAP. I'm gonna sell everything at VWAP. Above VWAP is the 50%, so I think they might actually break VWAP, but I'm getting out at VWAP. I'm
Yeah,
holding full
Stowe.
size.
Stowe's very nice. I'm pretty sure there's a ski area up there, right? In Stowe.
This trade took so fucking long, bro.
All right, I'm gonna start packing it up. If I can make it on for 2 o'clock, I'll try my best. If not, please do not overtrade or even consider taking a trade at 2 o'clock. Wait until 2:30. Let them settle. They're gonna have some crazy big candles at 2 o'clock. Market's gonna be ripping both ways. I would say if you're trying to lotto it, a lot of the times it's a fade the first move. So let them blast the
Yeah,
thing off and jump in on a wick and try to catch some crumbs off the wick.
I love me some crumbs.
Oh, dude, those crumbs pay though. Talking couple
Yo,
dollar.
Dimitri, can you go live at 2?
I'm gonna try,
Like, can you?
honestly.
Yeah, five
I'm gonna
thousand
try.
dollars an hour.
I'm gonna try.
Motherfucker. Wow,
Dimitri, Dimitri, is
I'm
that's a
already at
fair
a loss.
that's a fair price, right? 5,000 an hour?
No, I would never charge for going
No,
live. No,
just
I'll
for Albert.
don't know.
Just for
I just don't know what I'm gonna do. That's why my schedule is like all over the place. I'm just random. I'm still holding full size, guys. I want VWAP to break. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Finally, this is ridiculous how long this trade took. This trade took exactly 1 hour.
Yeah, and I don't think he made $5,000 this hour, Ryan. Just for the record. So I'm gonna have to ask for a refund.
uh, I don't know, man.
Where's your manager?
Yeah, can I speak to the manager? Thanks, Adeletto. I would just Albert, I would just say if you're green or if you didn't take a trade today, just today's probably not the day to do so, in my opinion. So
I didn't take a trade, bro. I listened to you today. And Dimitri, you guys both said don't trade.
as soon as I opened, dude, I had 250 contracts and I got 4 cents out of it on a huge move. So I was like, okay, I already know how today's gonna go.
Yeah, no. I was actually paying attention to how it was moving. I was like, this is like terrible. It's like these candles look bigger, but nothing is happening to the contract.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's okay. It's a good learning day. Maybe I'll catch something later. Who knows?
Yeah.
I mean, if you're gonna be trading on your phone, I don't recommend it. You need super fast fills on FOMC.
No. I'm gonna be in the office. I have the whole setup there too.
Nice. Good job.
Yeah, I know. I have two of the same screens, one at work and one at home.
Nice.
So
Yeah. FOMC is super fast. It's usually fade the moves. That's why. Because we're gonna have lightning up, lightning down.
yeah, and you gotta, yeah. No, I remember. I mean, we had kind of days like that. Not a lot, but we had Powell talking a couple of weeks ago, I think, or a week ago.
Yeah, remember Jackson Hole event? Yeah. That fuck you candle that we had to break.
Yeah.
It's exactly like that.
Yep. Got it. I wonder what's gonna happen. I think there has to be a rate cut.
Oh,
There's gonna
there's
be
there's
guaranteed
definitely gonna be a
order.
quarter, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just that it's all the talk behind it about how bearish everybody is, thinking that the market's going to collapse off of this quarter rate cut It's making me very bullish. That's all. I would not be surprised if we go punch the all-time highs out and then they pull it. Because you got to think, dude, if you loaded at the top for the last 2 days and you're like, oh, the top is in, rate cuts coming out, market's going to pull back. If you're loaded in at the top here and they take it another leg north, all the bears are going to be scrambling. They're going to be in shambles. So I don't know. Who knows? Or we could just completely fall off a cliff. You never know. That's why it's just best to not be in a position when it happens. And then you react. You react to the chart. You
Right.
don't predict it.
But technically, I'm saying for economics purpose, right? Isn't this a positive thing if there's a rate cut? Wouldn't that make the market kind of react in a positive way, Ben?
I
It depends why
I
they're
re-
doing it, because
really
they're
don't.
doing it because of the jobless claims, don't forget. They're doing it because of the economic conditions. Economic conditions are very bad.
Horrible. Yeah.
So they're technically forced to do a rate cut, you know? Can you imagine they're gonna do emergency rate cuts? We're gonna fucking fall off a cliff.
And Dimitri, on the 30
Oh
minute,
my
does
God.
it look like when we touch VWAP and bounce? It looks like we touched like the floor of the 30 minute. Is that what you see on the bigger time frame?
Let's see. On the 30-minute see there's a fair value gap, if I'm not mistaken, at 9 a.m. That's like my price target. I could be wrong, but you're right. Yeah, the floor is touched. I see a floor developed on the 30-minute.
All right. I'm gonna head out.